everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who just joined in, hi there, my name is Susie and I do makeup and personal style videos here on YouTube. If you reach the end of this video and you just love the content, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Grabe, it has been a while. Oo, ang tagal ko bago nakagawa ng video ulit kasi sobrang naging busy, sobrang nauna ang pamilya this time, guys. Of course naman, una talaga ang pamilya at talagang walang naging time para gumawa ng bagong video. Kaya naman, extra special ang video na to. Bakit? We went to Hong Kong recently and I was really planning to do a haul. Like in Sasa, Don Don Key. Talagang I was hoping to buy new stuff. I wanted to do a haul. But wala akong nabili. I mean, meron kakaunti. Pero ang ibig ko sabihin, when I got there, I checked Sasa, I checked Dong Dong Key, na-underwhelm ako dun sa stuff. Sabi ko, ang konti ng selection ng Hong Kong. Hindi ko alam bakit. I was there like 11 years ago. Noong time na yon, kaliwat kanan, marami kang mabibili. Ngayon, wala. Hindi ko maintindihan bakit. And then, I also saw that the makeup selection in Sasa, guys, mas maganda pa si SM Beauty. That is why, when I got home, talagang bitin ako sa shopping. Kaya naisipan ko, let's go to SM Beauty and find some interesting stuff to review today. So what did I buy? Okay, it's two places ha. A few in Hong Kong and a few in SM Beauty. So here they are. For Hong Kong, I only got 3 stuff. This is the Heavy Rotation or the Kiss Me Wax Eyebrow Palette, or another Kiss Me product, Heroin Make, the brown mascara, and something from Fenty Beauty. Guys, it's a liquid lipstick from Rihanna, and it's the one she wore at the Super Bowl. So exciting, right? What I got from SM Beauty are these 4. Ta-da! Okay, I got this one. This is a new brand, the Sola Foundation Primer. And I've been so curious about this because I have been seeing this all over Instagram and on my Facebook feed. I was so inspired by another red liquid lipstick. I had to buy a few again in SM. Why? Kasi gusto ko talaga malaman kung gaano na nakaka-compare ang mga drugstore makeup natin dito sa high-end one. This is quite a pricey liquid lipstick and it was a risk for me to buy this, but we will rate them all again today. Okay, disclaimer lang guys. Everything I bought, I've already tried. So, for the red lipsticks, bibigyan ko kayo ulit ng aking top 4 from top 4 least to top 1 being the best. For the others that I bought in Hong Kong, you guys already know this. I will just do like a try on of these new stuff that I have. Pero ang pinakabago is this one. This is going to be a first impression on the Sola Foundation Primer because this is the first time I will ever try this brand. So, dami ko sinabi. Let's go! Let's do it na! So, we're gonna start with the Sola Foundation Primer. And let me just read the contents of this. Ultra lightweight, watery skin tint. So meron na tong konting tint, ano. It has SPF 50+, PA+++. I got the shade light beige. So, merong susunod na shade which is the sand beige. 18-hour long wear coverage, non-greasy, sweat-proof, transfer-proof, wow, natural flawless sheer coverage. Ayun lang, no? Sheer siya. So, tingnan natin paano yung coverage nito kung kakailanganin ko pa ng foundation today. And then, it also has Korean black ginseng, which helps brighten skin over time. Uy. So, for the sachet, guys, it's 145 pesos in SM Beauty. Kung talagang okay to, I can get the big bottle, right? Uy, okay. Watery nga siya. Guys, pag primer, hindi na ako nagbabrush. It has scent, but it's nice. Ay, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng feel niya sa skin. Tama yung light beige yata sa akin. I really want to be able to spread this evenly. Wow! Sabi niya foundation primer. Does it mean it's primer before the foundation? Or it's a foundation and primer and sunscreen in one? Feels really light on the skin. Feels really, parang magaan lang siya. It's not super cooling. It's matte. Yun yung mga pakiramdam sa skin. Okay, the tint is too white for me. Baka nga sand beige. Pero hindi ako sure. Ito na lang muna kinuha ko. Okay lang yan. Kasi iniisip ko baka patungan ko na rin ng foundation. Primer siya, 'di ba? So kailangan magamit ko to with foundation. Pero if you don't want to use it with any foundation, parang pwede rin. But for today, I will apply foundation para lang malaman natin ano talaga ang magiging performance nito. Makakatulong to sa ating makeup. Okay, I'm going to do the rest of my makeup before I move on to the 2 new products that I have. So I'll be back. So now we are done with the makeup, but we haven't applied any eyebrow products in our eyebrows and also mascara. This is what I got from Hong Kong. Yung naisip ko nga mura pero madami, pero ang nangyari medyo mahal pero quality. Bukas na to. Nagamit ko na to. Okay. Binalik ko lang sa box because it came from this box and it's from, hindi ko na magets ngayon kung ano na si Kiss Me. Kiss Me or Heavy Rotation, parang iisang sister brand sila or one brand lang sila. But this is the Kiss Me limited item, Heavy Rotation Wax Eyebrow in the shade 01. So ito siya. Comes in a small palette and then it also has like a very tiny brush. That if in case I lose this brush, I will have to get a bigger brush. Yeah, I mean, maganda yung brush niya, kahit maliit. Let's zoom in so you can see the performance of this one. So always with eyebrows, you have to groom it first. It says in the packaging, Wax Brow Creator. Parang pinagmimix ko sila eh. Nung una sabi ko, ano ba talaga yung shade ko? Ito lang, sa sobrang liit. So dito muna ako nag-a-apply. Always in the natural part of my eyebrows na walang shape or whatsoever. And then, go back. Nalagyan ko na siya dito, kaunti. Alright. The performance of this, guys, actually, nagustuhan ko siya. I think the price of this, parang lumalabas, 400 to 500 pesos siya in pesos. Very subtle. Tapos nasakto ko pa yung shade na nakuha ko, hindi light. Isuspuli ko lang para lang I don't have perfect eyebrows. So yan, para lang to remove the harshness and to make it look more natural. And then, again, kung naliliitan kayo masyado sa brush, hindi nyo makontrol, you can use a longer angled brush. Ito lang kasi, natutuwa ako sa liit. Kasi parang sakto eh. I am so heavy-handed that I have the tendency to not make it look good. Yep. So what do I actually like about this? It's the fact that it's wax. It looks so good to me. See the eyebrows now? Okay, gandang-ganda ako dito kasi my eyebrows have the tendency to like magulo siya tapos may mga umaangat na hairs. With a wax product, parang nai-in place niya yung aking eyebrows, which is I like. It really looks natural on me. So next is mascara and I have this one. I love this. Like, this is the best brown mascara for me. It's Heroin Make. Ganito lang yung kanyang packaging. Hindi na super sealed, by the way, guys. Hindi tulad dati nagugupitin mo pa. Ito nabubuksan na agad. Which is kind of scary when I bought it. So this is it. It's the shade 02. So let's zoom in so you can see the goodness. Packaging, you already know that. Look at how rich the brown of this one, which talagang unmatched. I love it. And then once you apply it onto your eyelashes, it is so pretty. It doesn't clump. It stays. It doesn't smear. It's really a perfect mascara for me. This is one of the best. And ito may kamahalan na tong mascara na to, pero ang ganda naman talaga at magagamit mo ng matagal. Alright, my makeup is starting to like really set on my skin. I actually used the Estee Lauder Double Wear on top and I also applied concealer. Di ba ginamit natin yung Sola? So far, okay siya. Maganda yung kanyang reaction nila, kumbaga, yung foundation, concealer, and then the Sola primer. it looks and feels really great. It's not heavy at all. I'm excited. I'm excited for this. Next are these four red lipsticks. I'm going to rate them again. These are four lipsticks, and I'm going to start from top four going to top one. But every one of these, ibibase ko sila sa comfort, sa lips ko. The color payoff, the performance of all these lipsticks, they are all unmatched. May mga differences lang, and I will discuss them later to you. Are we ready for this? Let's go! Let's start! Top four is this one. You know how it is. You know how I am with Revlon. I really love Revlon. And I was so curious to find other lipsticks, other matte lipsticks na sobrang feeling ko will match the super lustrous mattes. Actually, I saw this first kay this beauty vlogger named Adrian Anel. Reko niya to. Hindi ko lang talaga na-try nung first. Bakit siya top 4? Okay, the title is Color Stay Matte Light Crayon, and this is in the shade Ruffled Feathers. It has at the bottom like a sharpener that I still don't know how to use, guys. Hindi ko pa rin ma-figure out how to use this. Check it out. Nandito yung parang to maneuver it. Marami yung product niya. Hindi bitin. And then this was also on sale, kaya talagang sinubukan ko na. What I like about this is that when I first got this, so na-try ko na, diba? Talaga para siyang crayon. Naka-point talaga. So hindi mo technically kailangan ng lip liner for this. Pero for the case lang, para lang makita niyo yung performance, wala tayong lip liners. Wala tayong kasabay na lip liners today. So, let's do it. So, it does write like a crayon, which I like. Oh my gosh. Okay, ganun pala yun. So here it is, guys. It's my top 4. It's the Revlon Color Stay Matte Light Crayon. So here it is. So why is this my top 4? Okay, first, when I used this yesterday, parang meron siyang konting dikit. Like, if you will reapply this after a few hours, meron siyang konting sticky. Kaunti lang. Nafe-feel ko lang nagsasama yung lips ko. Yun lang ang dahilan. It is still very comfortable and it dries down very quickly. Pero as the time goes, parang merong, ayan ah. Earlier, I blotted. Hindi nakuha ng cam. Ito. There is very little transfer with this lipstick. Kaya it's also so good. Ito yung typical Revlon, katulad ng Super Lustrous. Yung tagal, yun ang pakiramdam niya. Pero yun nga lang medyo nilawayan ko na to Yung lips ko, medyo may laway na yan. Kanina, nagsistick. So, maybe pag nalawayan mo, mawawala na yung ano. And eventually naman talagang malalawayan mo yung lips mo. Look at the color. Look at the shade of red of this. It turns coral here sa aking mirror. On cam, it's that bluish red. But knowing Revlon, I know na ito yung type of lippy that will really last up to like 6-hour wear. Nako, yun na yung threshold ko, guys. 6 na oras na suot to for sure. Is it the same dry feeling as the matte ones that I have of them? Yes, it's the same one. It's almost the same one as this. May konting technology lang to na in-apply, no? Kasi nga, mas mabilis yung dry time niya. So maybe, blot it right away para malaman mo kung may mga patches after. And ito, the color filled up my lips and then it gave that nice full tone red shade na. Now, let's try to take it off. Matatanggal ba siya with just regular, see? Galing Syempre meron. Pero, even if like you wear this na parang yung parang na lang, tawag doon? I don't know what it's called. Pero parang hindi full lip. Just want to like have that shade on your lips. Okay to gamitin. Color Stay Matte Light Crayon. So this is top 4. Okay. Top three. Guys, it's this one. Again, with the Revlon. It's a second Revlon shade that I got. I have been waiting for this shade for quite a long time now. This is the Revlon Super Lustrous Cream Lipstick in the shade Uncut Ruby. Why is this in my top three? Sa reds, gusto ko matte para matagal yung wear. Pero ito, dahil ang ganda ng color payoff niya, nasa top 3 siya. So this is the shade, guys. See how pretty that is, right? Ganda, no? It's the shade Uncut Ruby. Again, guys, it's super lustrous, so I know the quality is going to be great. So let me show you now. Here we go. Wow, that's gorgeous. 'Di ba? For a cream lipstick, it's so nice. Okay, let's blot it. Marami talagang nakuha. But what I like about this, the super lustrous cream lipsticks, they will last a long time. Kahit na cream yan, matagal siya. And then, if you notice to, sobrang the color is still staying. Kahit nag-blot ako. Another one. Oh, ang ganda. See? Oh, this is so good. This is like an everyday red. You can wear this every day and feel comfy. Like on those days na gusto mo lang may color yung lips mo, wala kang makeup, this is so perfect. Kasi aside from the fact that it works like a balm, it moisturizes your lips din talaga. I didn't even need to apply lip balm. Pag marami ka ng blot na ginawa, ayun, matatanggal siya ng kaunti, mababawasan yung color niya. Pero itong super lustrous, the wear is so comfy. Kaya ako siya nilagay sa top 3. Huwag na kayo mag-kiss-kiss. It's not transfer proof. Definitely, it's not. Pag ganyan, just wear it as it is. Allow the creams to just lather on your lips because that is the characteristic of this lipstick. Kahit malimutan mo siya, it won't easily come off. You will have that stain on your lips. It's going to stay. 'Di ba? Yun lang talaga, cream siya. Hindi siya yung typical choice ko for red lips. So this is top 3. Super lustrous cream lipstick, Uncut Ruby. Ayan na, medyo nafe-feel ko na yung lips ko, nagda-dry na talaga. Okay, we are now on top 2. And guys, this is the lipstick that I did not expect to perform well. As in, I was gonna put her all the way at the 4th. Pero, oh my gosh, it performed so well. And this is the BYS Be Free Matte Lipstick in Tulip. Oh my gosh, wala akong ina-assume dito. Sabi ko na baka hindi yan tulad ng Revlon. Kasi Revlon talaga ang aking drugstore choice of lipstick. Sa Maybelline, wala akong mahanap eh. And then, nakita ko to. Nung una, hindi ko to bibilhin. Pero sabi ko, sige na, let's add. Kasi Revlon lang yung choice na nakita ko sa selection ko. Pero nung nakita ko to, nung nag-swatch ako nito sa kamay ko, sabi ko, okay, parang maganda. Pero nga, parang powder yung effect na, siguro hindi to magiging ganun kaganda. But, I'll show you guys. Okay, yun lang guys ha. When I saw this, yung ibabaw, tumama na dun sa kanyang cap. Ito yung cap. In-even out ko na lang siya. So, ayan siya. Ganda naman. The packaging is also nice. Kamukha nung sa Sonny's. Now, let's try it on. Kagabi ko to ginamit guys. Hindi ko in-expect talaga. As in, nagulat ako. Kaya siya top 2. There. See? What can I say about the BYS Be Free? Ang galing. Surprise! I was so surprised last night when I used this kasi hindi talaga siya natanggal. Kumain ako ng ice cream, kumain ako ng Korean chicken, ng salad. Hindi natanggal to, guys. Hindi natanggal. Hindi ko kailangan mag-retouch pagkatapos. Nag-retouch lang ako dahil nasanay ako mag-retouch. Yan siya. Ang ganda, 'di ba? It's also so pretty. The red of this one is also so pretty. Parang totoo yung tulip. It reminds me of red tulips. It's so really gorgeous. Ang ganda ng payoff nitong red lipstick na to. And it's also another wearable everyday red lipstick. Let us now do this. Okay, transferred. Syempre guys, may transfer. yung comfort ng pagka-matte niya, parang maximal ng MAC ngayon, ng Ruby Woo. Remember, this was my top one, right? Wow, nag-match sila. Wow. I was so surprised by this. Like, I am so happy na natry ko at least meron isa pang red lippy sa drugstore na maaasahan ko. Top 2, BYS Be Free Matte Lipstick in the shade Tulip. Are you ready? Top 1. My top one red lipstick for this batch of red lipsticks is none other than, guys, the Fenty Liquid Lipstick. It's Fenty Icon Velvet Liquid Lipstick. Alright, when I first saw this, ewan ko ba't ko binili. Una, liquid lipstick siya na matte. Sa lahat ng lipsticks na iniiwasan ko, yun yung mga matte liquid lipsticks na nagda-dry down na tulad nung Vinyl Superstay ng Maybelline or any other na parang hindi talaga ako nagagandaan sa performance nila in general. But this is gorgeous! This is the one that Rihanna wore at the Super Bowl. So, game. Subukan natin. Guys, marami siyang product. Look how pretty the red of that. This is the reason why I wanted to put this on top one, because the shade is so different from all the reds that I wore today. Let me show you why. So here. And sa dami ng product niya, guys, kailangan mo to gawin. And I really like the doe foot. Nagiging precise yung application. Parang siguro iniisip natin na puro red na kasi tayo mula kanina, kaya parang nagiging isa na lang yung nakikita. Pero ang ganda niya talaga. The shade is so unmatched. This one, for this batch. Ay, yun lang. Yun lang, oh. May konting mess na siya. Kaya ito yung mga babantayan natin dito sa lipstick na to. But why is it in my top one, guys? How many reasons? There's so many. Okay, first, the shade of red of this. It's so brilliant when you apply it. Like, out of all the reds, these are really, really good reds. But this is so rich. Iba yung pagka-red niya. Second, for a matte liquid lipstick, it is so comfortable to wear. Kasi sa liquid lipstick na matte, talagang hindi maganda yung experience ko. Pero ito, wow, it is so comfy. It is so comfy to wear. May isang setback lang to. Isa lang. I'll show you why. It is not transfer proof. Talagang madugo siya. The good thing about this is that it can dry down. It will dry down a little bit, but it's still going to transfer. But ito wala na halos, oh. Pwede pala talaga pag maraming beses na. Oh, wow. Hey, Rihanna, that's so good. Is it kiss proof? No, guys. But the only thing I am willing to overlook yung transfer, because guys, it's going to transfer. Like, it will transfer so mad. The only reason why it's number one, the comfort is so good. Like, when you wear it, oh, walang stickiness. It's a true matte lipstick. And then over time, it's not gonna clump on you. It will remain this way. Even the color will remain this way. Except when you drink your bottle, when you drink your cups of water or any drink, meron siyang transfer. Sa Sephora Philippines, this is about 2,000 pesos. But when I got it in Hong Kong, lumalabas parang 1,700 lang siya. Mahal na to. Mas mahal pa sa MAC. Pero wow! As in, wow! Do you see what I mean? Parang hindi kapos yung shade. Nakailang blot na yan at ganyan pa rin yan. At mamaya, subuko na siya eh. Kahit mamaya, ganyan pa rin yung shade niya. Even if it transfers so badly, I mean, not badly, OA ako, not super badly, hindi mo na naiisip sa sobrang comfy niyang gamitin. I'm so in love with this shade. Like, it's so crazy, it's so good, diba? My top one for this batch of red lipsticks. The Fenty Icon Velvet Liquid Lipstick, and the shade is MVP. So that is it for my top 4 red lipsticks. So what are my thoughts about the makeup that I applied today? Yung sa mga bago, So, ito, wow, this is an amazing product. I love it. You know why? Iba talaga yung pagka-waxy niya. Hindi siya annoying type of wax na parang hindi nagsistay in place. Ito, it stays in place. And then, hindi siya nagsismear yung parang super runny. Hindi. It's a really good wax. It really looks natural when you apply it. It doesn't look like sobrang like super fixed or super ayos na ayos yung eyebrows ko, which I don't do nga pala, no? I don't do that. But this is such a great product even if it's around 400 or 500 pesos. Ganun yung price niya eh. Para sa akin, medyo mahal na yon for eyebrows kasi marami ng local na magaganda. This is like a good mid-range product to have. It's a really, really good eyebrow wax. I think mas mahal yung mga Anastasia Beverly Hills, ano, and I hear so many good things about that, but I've never really tried it. But maybe if you're looking for something na hindi ganun kamahal, you can go for this, the Heroin Make. Hindi, sorry. This is Heavy Rotation pala. Heavy Rotation Wax Brow Creator. If you want to use like a longer angled brush for this, you can really buy it in Shopee. May mga brushes that meron dun. But you know what? Nakaka-impress itong small na ito. Like this tiny, tiny thing. It is so precise. Tignan mo, feeling ko ganda-ganda ng pagka-apply ko sa eyebrows ko na kahit maliit siya. Dahil you have to be so delicate when you apply. You know, hindi mo mabibigatan. I got that. Okay. Hindi mo mabibigatan yung kamay mo sa sobrang liit. Kaya okay din pala. Kaya feeling ko, gusto ko yung pagka-apply ko ng eyebrows ngayon with this. Kaya pala feeling ko minsan para ako may drawing dito because of how heavy my hand gets whenever I apply my eyebrow product on my eyebrows. Really good, right? Next, there's just no doubt about this one, guys. This has been in my holy grails. This mascara is so good. It's at the mid-range price point. So it's around 700 pesos. Medyo pricey yon for mascara. Heroin Make from Kiss Me. It's a really good brand of mascara. Kaya if you want something a little more plush or luxe, try the Heroin Make ones because they are really that good. Mas matagal mo to gagamitin than the cheaper ones. Alright, the third. How do you like my makeup? Like, how do you find the skin? Nagagandahan ako sa naging outcome nung makeup ko. I know the performance of the Estee Lauder. I know the performance of my concealers. This is the new stuff that I applied underneath all this. And look at the effect. Normally, when I use the Estee Lauder one with the Aqua Grip Primer, extra dry. It takes a long while until it really sets into the skin to make it look super fine. Parang nagiging smooth yung skin ko over time with the Estee Lauder eh. And today, parang na-achieve niya right away. What time did I start putting on my makeup? I started at 11 a.m. and I absolutely love the effect of the makeup now. Aside from the fact na medyo slightly hot, mas namadali lang yung process ng pag-set nung Estee Lauder. Kasi si Estee Lauder, meron talaga siyang oras talaga siya eh. Matagal bago siya mag-set talaga into like a really nice. Diba, minsan kailangan mo na ng konting pawis sa face mo, konting moisture para medyo mag-set, makita mo talaga yung pinakamagandang pagka-flawless ng makeup mo. Ito, in an hour or less, na-achieve na niya. So, I want to see. Later, I will test. I will only test, guys, the foundation primer. I will check in back to give you the feedback kung ano ang magiging effect niya sa skin ko mamaya. Masasama na rin natin yung lips para makita nyo what I mean about Fenty being my top one on this batch. I'll see you again later. So, we are back. It's been 2 hours since I ended filming. And what can I say? What are my final thoughts? Okay. Ito yung mga ginawa ko. Nasa baba ako ulit. Lunch, I actually had fish. So, medyo malansa. And then I had yogurt. I drank water. Nag-toothbrush ako, guys. Hindi ko kayang mag-retouch. Kung fish lips ako, hindi ko kaya. And before I brushed my teeth, I actually checked on my lips. The boldness of how I really applied like everything, nawala din siya. Kasi nga, tandaan nyo guys, hindi siya transfer proof. Talagang natatransfer siya kahit anong gawin natin. Pero, andun pa rin yung tint, hindi natanggal. Which is actually good. Nung natanggal siya, hindi pangit. Bigyan ko kayo ng example like the Maybelline Vinyl. Yun, kapag natanggal na yung lipstick mo, wow, hindi maganda yung naiiwan. Like, mayroong mga clumpy stuff left on your lips. Ang okay pa dito is if I reapply, it's not gonna ruin the newly applied lipstick. So, let's apply, okay? Yan. So, let's do it again. So if you noticed, walang problema when I reapplied ulit. Kasi very smooth pa rin yung naging canvas nung lips. Even if may mga naiwan pa. Para sa presyo, masasabi ko, sulit siya. If you want to try this out, go ahead. I really just can't say for the other colors, ha. But for the red, look at this. The MVP one, yep, it's amazing. Next, guys, check out my skin. What can I say about this really, really good primer? Nasa primer, ha. Ito yung pinag-uusapan natin ngayon, hindi yung foundation. Kasi ito yung pinakabago nilagay ko. At nilagay ko lahat, pinatong ko sa kanya. Nilagyan ko concealer, foundation, I also applied powder. I did everything in my face. What I am so happy about is the skin. Doon ako nai-impress. If I use the Aqua Grip primer on the Estee Lauder, it will take a few more hours for it to be dewy like this. But ito within 2, actually within 1, parang naging dewy finish yung very matte Estee Lauder na double wear. I have to say, this is a really, really good product for a primer na sunscreen na. Kasi normally, di ba, parang every time we apply makeup na walang sunscreen, so we put sunscreen underneath pa. And daming patong na nun. Ako, for me, nakakatamad. Madami masyadong patong. Gusto ko nakakahinga yung skin ko. Ayan siya. So, I like it. Ang ganda. Para sa, okay, nag-blot na ako. Hindi ko naman nasabi sa'yo na magbablot ako at nag-blot ako. Ayan. I actually don't even need to reapply powder kasi parang okay pa siya. Beautiful. I love it. Tama ba ako? No white cast? Parang wala ngang white cast, ano? Kasi ito na yun eh. This is really my complexion. Okay? But there's a little transfer because yun nga, it's the sweat. I know when I use the Estee Lauder one kung kailan talaga merong transfer at kung kailan wala. Konti lang naman. It's not that bad. Pero it still achieves the flawlessness of the makeup. Alright, so Sola. Tandaan nyo to, guys. It's a really good primer. It's already nighttime. It has been around 3 hours since I retouched. Yung retouch ko kanina, ito na yon. And look at it. Okay, ito yung isa pang difference kung bakit siya top 1. Yung difference niya with Revlon and the BYS. Ilang oras ko na tong suot and yung dryness niya hindi tulad nung dryness na feel ko kapag suot ko yung Revlon. Comfy, dry talaga siya. And it doesn't feel like your lips are really super cracking. Sa Revlon na super lustrous matte and the Color Stay one, it's the typical matte lipstick na ginagamit ko. Na it is dry, it is still comfy, but I know the cracks in my lips. Parang alam ko na nandun. Pero komportable pa rin siya. Ito, wala nun. Which makes this even more impressive. And so that is it for today's video. I really sure hope that you enjoyed this video as much as I did enjoy doing it for you. And sana makita ko kayo ulit or masamahan niyo ko ulit sa susunod na video. Have a great day, guys. Goodbye!